Many people are sick and they think that praying to God is the best way to get some support, to find some type of help from above. But what I found is that making a commitment to God is a much better plan. If you commit to God that you're going to follow a certain purpose in your life that will serve others, that will help others, that will serve God, that will allow God to work through you for the good of the world, not just the good of you, then I believe that God will help you heal so he can work through you. This is what happened with me. I was sick for over 10 years, okay? And I did not know what to do. And I had basically ran into a brick wall and did not know about any more supplements, any more doctors, any more medications. I didn't understand what to do. I asked God at that moment with full sincerity in my heart, will you please help me get better? And if you help me get better, when I get better, I will spend the rest of my life helping people who are sick. And I believe that I'm meant to make a major change in this world with your help, okay? And I know that God was there at that moment. I felt it. I felt it. And it was the most real moment of my life. I realized that I had made a commitment to God and that now I had to go ahead and fulfill it. Everything I did was about fulfilling this mission now. And I had started to create the vision of what I was going to do in the future when I was better. And this was absolutely critical because now I could see an end to the illness. Now I could see it. Now I could see myself helping other people. Now I could see an end. So I had hope. I had hope because I always could hold on to that vision of when it was going to be over and keep pushing when it was difficult. Okay. And this was critical. God knew that I was serious about it. So he started to open up doors for me. It started step by step. It started to become easier to cope with these symptoms mentally, physically, because I was relying on something other than myself, right? Also, I started to find things like the colostrum, certain supplements, made certain dietary changes, learned about mold, had my daughter and I was forced to learn tons of things about health right then when she suffered. Had lots of events that God put into my life to allow me to heal, but none of it could have happened without the commitment that I made to him that one day I was going to help people once I was better. And this is why it's so important for you, is that if you start to get better and you don't fulfill the commitment, then you're going to go backwards again and you're going to be forced to fulfill the commitment. So if you make this promise, you have to fulfill the commitment. It has to be the realest thing that you've ever experienced, ever committed to in your life, right? Because you know that God is going to help you get better. And now through this experience, you're going to help others and it will be so fulfilling. Trust me, it has become the greatest experience I've ever shared in my life to help these people with chronic illnesses, to help them overcome things that hundreds of doctors can't. With God's guidance, this is an amazing thing that you can experience yourself, no matter what it is. And you don't have to help people that are sick. You could simply make a choice to help people in general, whether it's through psychology or through just one-on-one conversations, or people who are poor, or anything, people who have been sexually molested, anything that matters to you, okay? And start to reach out and use the experiences and the love and the passion and that you have in the guidance from God to inspire these people to heal and feel better. This was the point of your illness. This is what really, really will bring you happiness in the end. It'll bring you closer to God and closer to your true self. Trust me. I went through all this myself and I found the other side of it, and it has been the greatest blessing ever. Thanks for watching. Go to my website, endsickness.org. I have hundreds of articles and videos on there teaching how to heal yourself. Take care.